Hello, welcome to the stream, everyone. How's it going? We are back with another Rust live coding session. You can tell my happiness from my face, looking so happy right now since I'm doing the stream. Not a level, man. Not a level. How you guys doing? Hell yeah, we are so back. How we feeling, guys? What's poppin'? Alright, so we're gonna do something like this in the stream, something new. I want to give away these stickers. These sweet, shiny looking Ratatouille stickers, as you can see here. I'm not just giving away one. I'm actually giving away the whole pile. This thing right here will be yours. Only if you answer one of my questions in the stream correctly. I will tell you which question it is. I'm not gonna ask it right away. I'm gonna ask it at a random point in the stream so that you will keep watching, you know. It's a big brain move. And if you answer this correctly, you'll get those cool ass, kick ass, shiny ass stickers, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're gonna do today. This is my big marketing move, and this is gonna work so well. You'll just stick to the stream until the end. Okay, can't wait for a clip of almost this. Hell yeah. Don't clip this. But gonna be a lot of those moments. Rare holographic rat sticky. Hell yes, man. This is, I mean, oops. Dropped one. So precious, cannot drop one on the floor. You know, it's just, you can use it on your laptop, which I do. You can use it on any surface. It sticks. Doesn't matter the surface, it just sticks everywhere, you know. So yeah, just tune in to the stream. Share this, share the stream with your friends. Hell yeah, even non-programmer friends. We don't need programmers here. We're just waiting for the correct sticker moment, okay? If I forget to ask the question, just remind me in the chat, please. All right. Send the stream to your grandma. Your grandma will enjoy the stream. I'm pretty sure. All right. Let's just go ahead with the coding stuff. Right. Let's just do that, because this is the point. This is basically the point of the stream. So let's just jump right into it, and I will talk through what I'm doing as I go through stuff. I actually watched a couple of streams before this to get an idea of what people are doing, and those are all boring, and I think my streams are kind of boring too, because, you know, coding and shit. But I try to make it entertaining with these like sticker giveaways. I can also give away the official, wait for this, the official rustlang mascot, the rofer. Check this out. I'm giving away the rofer, the official rustlang mascot, okay? But not in the stream. Maybe in the, maybe when I get like 1K viewers, I can give away that one, but not now, guys. Come on, we're not that big yet. I mean, that shit not it's not going that easy, you know. I'm just gonna keep it for now. You know, I use its energy while I'm coding. The rofer, man. The rofer. Okay. Anyways, what are we doing today? We are working on TTY heater. Theater. This is a project. You need cat earphones. It would for sure be less boring. You know what? We need crab earphones. That would be even better. Or I have a perfect idea. Hold on. Can I put this here maybe? Or here? Okay, you know what? We are wasting one of those stickers just for this holy purpose. Just for this holy purpose. But this is gonna be so sick. Hold on. Okay, which ear should I just put this on? Which one is more visible? Ratatouille phones. Hell yeah. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do it on this side. I hope I won't fuck up thing, but I wish I did that on the other side. God damn. Guys, in life, you gotta make decisions all the time. You know, you gotta decide where to put the shiny sticker. Not easy. God damn, hold on. On the inside. It's already inside, my man. It's already inside, right here. Right under this logo. I got this here, don't worry about it. Hell yeah. Look at the drip. Dripping. Okay, yeah, let's not let's not lose any more time. It's with Ratatouille jokes. Let's just do the Ratatouille stuff actually. Okay, so I'm not sure about the name. Maybe I can come up with a better name. TTY heater sounds like it's heating the TTY. It reads like it's like a oven, like a TTY oven or some sort. So I'm open to suggestions. If you have an idea for this program, just drop it in the comments. And if I like it, you'll get maybe you'll get the offer. Maybe. All right. Let's compile this. So this is the program that I'm working on. It's super simple. What I'm basically doing is showing animations on the terminal. When I press enter, you'll see the Adventures of Bambi. You know, it's rendered right on the terminal. And that's why it's called a teeter, because I want to you know, have these little movies, so to speak, in the terminal that you can actually select and watch and just have fun. The boobo, and yeah. Yeah, that's the idea, pretty much. And yesterday I built this list, and also I built the animation stuff. I fixed some stuff, so this is now in a okay shape, but it's still super bad. Like look at this, man. Like reader, option, buff reader, cursor, vector, U8. You're fucking kidding me. It's melting my brain. It's almost gonna melt my editor. Got you. Anyways, what we're gonna do today is refactor the shit out of this and have like a actual like a pro TUI app, you know, because I don't like this right now. It's just, jeez, so many stuff in here. Wow. So what the hell are we gonna do for that? First of all, I don't like the rendering logic here, because I have a flag which is called rendering, and if this is set to true, I render stuff on the terminal, and it's not a good way of doing this, because it is basically going to render the frames when you render the TUI, and I don't want to do that. I simply have a separate loop where I process the animation frames, and I want to run that beside of the TUI loop. And this is just, you know, it's a mix of two, and I don't like that much. So First of all, I want to create an event handler module, because we don't have events like, you know, the channels or like the transmitter and the receiver part of things. It's not there, and I want to use those messages to say that, hey, take this animation and render it. So I'm basically gonna add an event module. This file is okay, mod event, and I'm actually going to yoink that from one of my projects, because why the hell not? I'm gonna explain it, guys. Hold on. Okay, this one, and it should be event, and I'm just gonna copy it. All right, and I don't know why I have okay, this is not, well, this, you know what, I won't have any mouse events. I will just have the key events, and I can use yeah, I'm just gonna move this over to event, and gonna make it public. I can actually use the existing function here, probably. What is self? Self should be just the state, so in this case it's gonna be app. Hold on, I actually need to bring that back here to see what I'm doing. Alright, so the event, I'm gonna take the app, match the stuff, right? Self is not there, of course. It's just app. Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna do it in the old school way. Damn, this is a lot of typing. I don't feel like a hacker right now. It's just like I'm doing some boring ass work, but should be good. Is rendering? No, I don't need that. Or let's have it here for a second and see if this refactor will make things work in the same way. Okay, import the animation, import these horrible types. Alright, this comment is too long. There's the application state. I just said it's too long, and I just wrote a new comment which is exactly the same length. Great. And here it's actually, there's no issues with that. I only need to remove these events because they are not related to this app. Remove these events. No. Okay, these imports should be good. We don't need a result here. Actually, I don't remember which library that I use for result. Okay, color error. Just gonna, hold on. I accidentally deleted something. These should go. These should go. Results should be imported from color error. God damn it! Why do you name your libraries so hard to pronounce? Import app. What? Yeah, of course, it should be correct casing. Make these shits public. This state. Okay, make everything public. We don't care at this point. A clean API out of the window. Not a question. There's no such thing as a clean API. It's just that at this point. Okay. Alright, so how do we handle the events now? I'm guessing we don't need this anymore, and also we don't need this anymore. Instead, we should create the event handler here. What's the tick rate? Is this enough actually as a tick rate? I'm not sure. I'm gonna check. Let's see. Okay, 250 is a good value. I'm gonna pass this to the app here. Okay. What did I do? Okay, very descriptive comment. Event handler gonna be this guy. Import that, of course. I can actually just make this a function of the event handler. And yeah, I think I need to put this here instead of inside the run function. Wait, what? Just gonna comment this out for now. And again, how do I handle events in the other app? Can I see it, please? Okay, in the main loop, I simply call events next, but I actually don't need to call this. I can just do something like well, okay, let's follow this approach here as well. Then we match on the event. And we simply fill these events. For the key events, it's a bit weird, but self event handler. What? Did I get a wrong import somewhere? Yeah. Hello, Lucas. Welcome. Oh, okay. I think I got what's wrong here. If I move this inside of the event handler, I cannot. Hold on. I will try this instead. Because it fails to pass the app into the function, because at that point we already have the reference of the app somewhere. So it's like you pass, you know, you send app somewhere, and then at the same time you try to mutate it by a reference somewhere else. So I removed the self from that function, and now we should actually should be able to run this. Yeah, don't do anything on mouse and resize events, and that should be it. Actually, let's see if this will work. Okay, what's wrong? It expects a result here. Why? Can I just do into something? What just happened? into what? Guys, this is just Copilot, not me. Okay, what has changed actually? This was working before. Oh, because of this. Okay. Now, just ignore these warnings. They're fine. Okay, now we can handle events, but we separated the event handling logic. What the fuck is this music, man? Sorry guys. I was like a bit it was just screwing up my mood actually, so I'm just gonna change it to something else. Hold on. Come on, something good. I need something good. You know what? Let's listen to some keygen music. Hell yeah. Yeah, epic music first. This is not this thing right now. It's playing. It's like legendary music. Only OGs listen to this well coded. Let me take a sip. Hell yeah. This is my jam. Okay, I'm distracted, but if you want to go back to what we were doing before. Okay, now this is working fine, but I think it will not render it. Yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this thing work by doing what? Wait, what did I change here? Maybe it's rendering. It's rendering actually. And also at the same time we can use the events. Before that we were not able to use the key bindings, but now we can do, and it also renders fine. which is good. Kind of glitched out there for a second, but anyways. And I don't want to use this is rendering logic here. I want to create a widget that is responsible for rendering this. And I think that will be pretty fun to explore, because now there is no like FPS or anything. It is just rendering whenever it gets the line from the file, and that is kind of bad. But maybe before that I can just fix this reader thingy, man. It's just hella long. I mean, okay, if you want to see the render logic, it is simply something like this. We get the parser. This is VT100 parser, and we just read a line from that from the reader thingy that you just saw, and if you're able to read it, we simply render it on the terminal widget, and if you're not, we just reset. And this happens on every render call, but this should happen in like a separate thread, because I want to be able to adjust the FPS value. So I want to render at 60 FPS or 30 FPS or whatever. Or this is not really FPS because it's just reading lines. So maybe it's correct to say that it's like frame per line or something. So FPL, so FPL value, you know. So yeah, I want to do that, but first I think I'll fix this thing, which uses like a lot of different types. Okay, now if you want to take a look at the buff reader, it takes a type that implements read. And which types actually implement read? You can check that out. Rust std read. Let's see. Implementers. Takes it for file U8. I actually want to use U8. So yeah. So let's just design something. Actually, animation.rs. I'm gonna move the animation struct from app to animation. I'm gonna rename it to animations actually. Animation, and in app we should change some things. Animation should be animations, and it should be imported from animations, and that's actually it. And then I want to create a struct called animation. If you're wondering what this is basically a struct which contains all the animations in this directory. So I embed everything in this directory into a struct using rust embed create, and I can just access it by saying stuff like, you know, iterators and or like just animations get or some shit like that, you know. I'm gonna change this freaking music again. It's just fucking my brain at this point. Hold on. We're gonna be back in a second. Alright, so animation. I want to send some events, send like the render event from this struct, or maybe I should. No, I don't want to send an event. I want to first off, let me implement widget on this. You don't need prelude. I'm just going to import these explicitly. And when we want to render this, we will basically go to app and just take this part which renders it. Do I have to render? No. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the whole thing, put it in here. We don't have a parser, we don't have a reader, we don't have a buffer or anything. We don't have any of those things actually. We have this thing. So we want to update the animation struct while we're rendering this, because this basically adds to, like, this line adds to the buffer and this line changes the parser. So maybe we can implement something like this, or what was it? Yeah, something like this. So we can actually mutate, or how was it? I remember I did this for this project before. So something like this. And I'm gonna add the types from this guy over here into the animation. Okay, this will change. I mean, this is just bad. I'm gonna use U8 here, possible. Not sure if I should have an option there, but probably not. I'm gonna have the parser in there, which is a VT100 parser. Let me just move this thing to another workspace. Okay. And have the lifetimes. God damn it, this will be a problem, but whatever. Okay, we have the parser, so actually I'm just gonna use the parser directly. Hold on. All right, and then I'm not sure if I lost you guys at some point, but this is just, you know, Rust programming, and this is how it goes. Stay in the stream. I'm gonna build more cool stuff. Please don't leave. So this is going to render a single frame, right? I don't know, actually. We're gonna try and see. How do I render something actually? Let's see an example, if possible. Okay, so it's gonna be something like this. Yeah, so this is now. Yo, bro, started streaming. It is what I was waiting for. Hey, what's up, man? MCA. There, MSA, sorry, not C. MSA. How's it going, man? Do I know you? Or I should change the question to, do you write Rust? That's more important. If I don't know you, that's fine. But if you don't write Rust, that's a problem, man. Okay, let me just fix these things real quick. Animation should be animations. Yeah, of course. Okay, cool. You can win one of these stickers. These looks like I'm giving you the middle finger. These like glossy stickers if you give the correct answer to one of my questions that I will ask at a random point in the stream. So just be aware of that. There might be a surprise question and you can actually win a sticker. No, just kidding. But maybe this is a big brain marketing trick, man. Once you start watching the stream, you cannot turn it off because, you know, at any moment you can get that shiny sticker. Okay, now this runs. But here's the thing. On each render call, we read the line from the reader and then we simply render it, right? How do I integrate that into here? That's the big question. Okay, let's try to do that actually. Animation widget. It's gonna be an option for now, I think, because we don't want to initialize it with a value, so it's gonna be none. Adding lifetimes. These lifetimes will be a pain in the fucking future, but whatever. I guess we're taking risks. We are doing big things, right? We gotta take those freaking risks, man. Alright. Now. How do I handle the actual rendering? When I press enter, I want to set this animation. God damn it, is it private? Oh, did I just call it the widget? It should be called animation. Okay, and then animation should be this thing. Data does not live long enough. God damn it, do I have to use cursor again? Maybe I'm just a Rust newbie and Rust rookie that I don't know what I'm doing. Come on, what should I do actually? U8, I want to use U8, but lifetime is killing me. So maybe, hold on, I got an idea. I'm gonna pass in that sucker and then it's gonna actually work. No? What you mean, dog? What you mean, dog? Ah shit, what? No, that's fine. Lifetime is there. That's classic, that's Rust. Exactly. That's fucked. I don't like this. Alright, back to cursor, I guess. Do you guys have any recommendations here actually? Maybe I can just use a vector there. Or do I have to wait? Rust cursor U8. Cursor wig U8. Actually, I shouldn't need cursor. I shouldn't need cursor here, man. I don't like this. Okay, what can I do? Buff reader. Oh, fuck it, I'm gonna use cursor. Which means I will have to remove all the freaking lifetimes, dude. Freaking cursor got me fucked. Alright, no more of that cursor, no more of that reference thingy. We got the cursor. We're gonna remove this lifetime too. I'm definitely doing something wrong here, man. I shouldn't need cursor or some shit. I mean, I'm not really doing any seek or anything. Maybe it's just fine to use cursor, right, guys? I mean, it's just a Rust type, you know. It's all Rust, so it's gonna be fine, right? Say something. Come on. Okay, data cursor. Goddamn cursor new. And data is just is already U8, so gonna be fine. We try to compile this. Of course, it fails with a ton of errors. What we're gonna do here is that we're gonna remove all this stuff, and we're gonna do this paragraph. No telescope diagnostic search. What do you mean? Like, do you mean this? Wait, where is it? Search references? No, I think I have it somewhere in Novum, but yeah, you mean this thing, right? I don't really use it that much, to be honest. I use this feature though, the symbols. Okay, now this is being rendered, but the problem is when we... So yeah, the problem is we initialize this widget with the parser default, so the parser actually doesn't know the size of the area. So we're gonna do something like... Wait, can I do it in handler? No, I cannot. But I can probably do something like... Actually, I can do this here. So it will set itself, set the size of itself here. Parser. Wait, I cannot do this here because it's not implementing anything. So it's gonna be something like animation area. I know this is not super good, but animation area. So explanatory comment. I mean, without this, I cannot live. It's gonna be rect, right? Yeah, it should be rect. Get rect. And I'm gonna solve animation. No, I can set it somewhere in here. Self animation area is area 1. Why does it do this? Self animation area. And from somewhere I should access to that, and yeah, here I simply need to say something like self animation area width self height and just 0. Not self though, it's an app, right? Okay. And this is probably correct. The width of... No, this is not correct. I should... What I was doing actually, let me try to find it. How do I initialize this? Where is it, man? Where's parser? Parser. Okay. Okay, this is not what I was looking for. Am I blind or what? Oh, here. Area, height, and width. Okay. So height and width. Okay, now that's done. Let's try it actually. It's missing animation area. Okay, let me move stuff around a bit. Animation area is going to be rect default. Height first in args makes me anxious. Me too, man. That's why I fucked up yesterday and tried to render in the wrong area. I mean, why would you put height in the first argument? I mean, oh, it's bad. Okay, press enter. Nothing is rendering. Great, guys. We did it. Okay, what the hell is going on? Actually, I don't want to have a condition. I want to render all the time. Fuck it. We render even though we don't have frames. If we render on the void, man. That's how we roll now. Yeah, just gonna do that. Fuck it. Bambi, come on. Rendering fine. It just takes a long time for some reason. The hell, man, this is so slow. Okay, you know what? Actually, what we should do is, instead of doing that, wait, I got this. You know what? It's gonna be something like this instead. So we're gonna take a render. We're gonna get a render event for each frame. And how do we do that? We simply do something like this. I'm gonna take this part. Start render thread. And here, I need to get a sender. And I'm gonna actually make this mutable. Wait a minute. And what do we want to do? Start the rendering thread. I'm gonna construct a loop here, and this will be responsible for only rendering the pseudo terminal. And here there was actually a crate for FPS stuff, but for now we can just sleep. We don't need a line buffer. Actually, this can be just a string, or maybe not. What is this music? Come on, I need a great music to focus on this and finish it. Okay, They should do it. No. No again. At the beginning of this was pretty good. Okay, so for line in lines, not lines, but self reader next read line something. How do I read? Rust read from buff read. Okay, I can just do lines. Cool. And for each line I want to append, but this line is an option or result, right? Yeah. Okay, and then soft buffer line wrap. What's wrong now? Should I do read line instead? Okay, we're gonna do read line. Okay, how do I construct a loop? I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, of course. Rust read from buff read with 60 FPS. Let's see. A line in reader. Okay, we need to lock the lines first. Okay, let's do that. It's not there. Oh, okay, it's std in. All right, that makes sense. No std in. This calls the lines, man. What am I doing wrong here? Okay, you know what? There you go. So I'm gonna fix this problem. Just copy paste the errors into ChatGPT. What did you change? I'm exactly doing the same thing, man. What the? Okay, ChatGPT is not helping. Just gonna construct a while it's red. Okay, we can do an infinite loop and do some like this. And for each read, I'm gonna send the render event, and this should actually do it. And I'm gonna put this in a thread, which will fuck up everything. Hold on. You will see what will happen now. Rust will pretty much scream at us and say that, what the hell are you doing? Because you need to clone some shit. They are moved inside of the... Wait, we don't actually clone. We don't need to clone that. We only need to clone the reader. And buffer. The buffer should be mutex. So gonna do that. Unwrap. So just working on making things thread safe here. And the other thing is we cannot use... Okay, this should be an arc2. God damn it. Let's buffer arc new arc, wait, not arch. And then it's gonna do something like this. Hold on, to see if this is gonna work. Okay, this will work, but we need to make the reader... Oh man, this type will be so bad. Make this type thread safe. Okay guys, question time. The time has come. Question is, do you know what this project is doing? If you know what this project is doing, you got the sticker, and that was it. Type it in the chat. Don't watch the stream again. I will just show you this thing for 3 seconds. So that was enough. Damn, this type is so bad. Oh my god, look at this. It's hella long. Let's see if this is gonna work. Okay. And this will fail, of course. Let's Let's handle the render event 2. And when you get the render event, I'm actually gonna drove. Wait, what? Yeah, I'm just gonna render the terminal again when I get the render event, because that means that it will just render the animation. So this should just work. Let's see how this will do. But before that, I can actually sleep here for some time, 10 milliseconds maybe. Wait, I'm not really starting a rendering thread. Let animation equals that, and it was a long delete animation, and then animation start render thread. Hello, welcome, aunties. You got a Arch Linux guy in the chat. Respect. Okay, animation is immutable. Let's make it mutable. Okay, now all good. Let's try to render it actually. Bambi. Okay, what? Nothing is happening. That's weird. Are we actually rendering things? Let me increase the delay and try to do it again. Nope, nothing. Nothing, guys. Wait. Can I add a block to this? Okay, this is weird. I'm not sure what's going on there. I'll try to debug it. There's no loop. That's why. It just renders the first line. So what I need to do is I'm gonna put this in a loop. And should be fine. Yep, let's try it now. Nothing again. Wait, we have a loop. Am I blind? But we don't. That's wrong actually. That loop should be here. Because otherwise it just goes into the loop and just breaks from the loop. What's the point? You know? Okay, now. And also this should. Damn, why do I make so many mistakes here? I'm just creating bugs, man. What the hell? Okay, now. All right. We are back in business. Yeah, now rendering, but it's hella slow. I'm gonna just reduce the delay and see. Yeah, this will work. Come on. If you have Bambi just walking on the grass. Still hella slow though. And I cannot really use the keys. I don't know what's going on. Hello everyone from a new day. Hello Groovy. How's it going? What time is it there? Is it morning? Okay, at this point I'm just creating more bugs that I'm fixing. White thread is never red. Then we just move the value. Okay, start the thread there, and what is going on? You guys hear the oval, the bird? Oval, I don't know. Is Rust has flash for rendering console at the same time? It may do smoother. Yeah, it has, but I'm actually doing something different here. I'm creating a pseudo terminal inside the terminal and render on that terminal using ANSI escape codes, which is right now failing to do, but that's the goal at least. I did this before it was working, but I'm trying to refactor it and I kind of screwed up something here and it's not working anymore. Okay, when I press enter, it starts the render thread. And render thread simply goes through each line and sends the render event. What if I don't handle the event? Oh hell, nerd. Yeah, I'm a nerd. It's actually working, but we don't... I mean, why is it blocking the other events? That's what I don't understand. What if I don't sleep this? I mean, what happens then? Yeah, it just instantly ends. Oh, something is wrong actually. Something is very wrong. I mean, when I run this, the whole tweet just gets stuck. What's wrong? Is it just... Maybe there's a deadlock somewhere. You know what, I'm gonna change mutex to RV lock. Maybe that will change things. In case you don't know, it means that the mutex allows read and write at the same time, but it only allows one of those, and RV lock allows reading and writing at different times, and you can read as much as you can, as many times as you want, or yeah, something like that, and then write you can only do once. So What is this read line doing? Actually, you want to write here, or no? Just read here. And then I want to write here. Yeah, multiple readers, yes. Maybe there's a deadlock here. I'm not really sure, man. I'm just trying to debug this. Because here we read to it, we write to it, and then here we also call the log. So maybe it was deadlocking itself. So I just want to try this out. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but it's worth trying. Okay, RV log. Let's try it. Just import this shit already, come on. What did I do wrong? Nothing. It is imported. I don't know. Rust analyzer was just slow. Okay, press enter. Okay, it's even worse now. Awesome. What happens if I don't send the render event? It still renders. So what's the point of the render event? What the hell? Just gonna remove this. Now it does not render. Cool. I mean, not cool, but you know what I'm saying, like in a sense that it is now the expected behavior. And what happens when we do this? Alright, so it's gonna be a little interesting here because I want to split this logic. Your code feels like legacy code. If you change it, it won't work. Yeah, I should just revert everything and just call it a day, because I mean, look at this. Maybe it was not really a good idea to have this event handling stuff, because now that I think of it, if the refresh rate of the terminal is 250 milliseconds, you cannot really change that, because that's the interval that you poll for new events. So you cannot really go higher from that speed, because if you go into the event module here, you create the tick rate, right? And it's basically set in the loop. You need to change this tick rate to be able to render higher than whatever the FPS is. So we cannot really go above that. So my idea of rendering a frame when you send an event is actually not gonna work, because I mean, you cannot go higher than the refresh rate, you know? So I was kind of on the wrong lead all along. And this shit is looking fucking horrible. Alright. Back to the whiteboard. Hell yeah. I need a whiteboard actually. Just behind me, you know, imagine me just doing shit like that. I don't know. Hold on. There's a delay in the stream. Okay, be back. Now it should fix. Okay. Guys, what should I do? Tell me something. I'm gonna bring that. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna get help from these guys. I get an idea. First of all, need to go completely dark. Turn this shit on. Come on. Is it broken already? My light is broken, guys. Wait, it's just unplugged. You plug this shit in. Guys, I'll be back in a second. Don't go anywhere. Plug this in. Alright. We got the cool lights. Stop. Okay. Just constant color. Okay. Make it purple. Make it purple. Alright, now I feel more powerful. I got this cool looking background. Got these guys, you know. I got the Starscream Transformers people. I know you guys are watching the stream. So got the Starscream, Optimus Prime right there. Right there, Optimus Prime. You got all the elements that we need now. And also Transformers OST. This stream will get copyrighted left and right, but do we care, guys? No. You're gonna just play the freaking Transformers soundtrack. We don't care. We got all the guys. We got Drofer, Rust's official mascot. We got Knuckles there, Optimus Prime, Starscream. This soundtrack is not playing. I'll play. Wait. I need a background thingy. It's just. We are ready, guys. The MC is playing referent, but we're just chilling. Hell yeah! Fuck the copyrights, man. We're gonna make this shit happen. I have 22% of battery left. And I'm gonna make this shit happen. My stream is lagging. I got copyrighted right now. I got 50 emails from freaking Transformers. We don't care. We're just gonna make this shit happen. Can I get a 50 pack of beer, Mr. Bartender? The colors are beautiful. I got you, man. There you go, man. Take a sip. Be in the zone, man. I just need to lock in. I can make this happen. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna revert everything. Where's the freaking music? Come on. Okay, we get the music. This is too emotional for this moment, but no. We're gonna have this shit rendered. That's the goal. I'm just deleting my own code, man. This is pain. This is pain. You're witnessing history right now. Hell yeah, we roll back to the working mode. Okay, you know what? Just change the tick rate. And this is gonna look amazing. You know, I'm just gonna trigger the events manually for now, but it works. I'm gonna figure out a way to make this work without manually triggering the events. I don't know why I talk like this, but the music really affects me. You know, the music. I'm gonna pour some more juice. This is for the lost souls. This is for everyone who quit Rust. By the way, while I remember, thank you for supporting my project with your comments on my LinkedIn post. Which project was it? I'm just doing my duty, man. I'm just doing my duty. Oh God, what do I do? Come on. I don't feel powerful enough to do this. Guys. Oh, customizable GitHub, yeah, for sure. Okay. Okay, now I get it. We don't... So this next call will block the current thread until more data is available, and this means that we need to constantly send. But that's what I just did, actually. What the hell? You know what? You know what? I'm gonna... Wait, I get an idea. I'm gonna put the sender in the freaking animation. Look. Look. Big brain. Big brain. Gotta go. Happy coding. Thanks, man. And I will do something like send tick. Yeah, just gonna send a tick event for now. For each... No, this is not gonna work. Where's my loop actually? Yeah, I don't have a loop. Okay, what happens if I send the event here? Is this stupid? Let's see. I'm leaving. Have fun for the rest of viewers. Take care, guys. Don't worry, we got this. We'll handle this. Okay, now it's kind of better. Yeah, it's kind of better. And I actually want to reset the animation when it's done. So this will mean that we want to actually do something like self buffer clear. And we can simply do derive come on. I'm just gonna copy this and default. This music is really affecting everybody. Everyone is leaving the stream. Why did I do this? Sorry, guys. yeah, default, and then I'm gonna go to app. There are like a lot of imports. I'm gonna make the animation not an option. Animation was never an option, guys. Make it default, and then I'm actually gonna check buffer is empty. If it's not empty, just render the animation. This is not gonna work because the buffer is empty at first. So it's gonna be okay. How about a new flag here? Is rendered boolean. Is the animation rendered? Is rendered false? And then here is rendered true. Okay, and in app is rendered. Okay, now it's rendered and we have the key handling working as expected. Oops. Okay, just gonna get rid of these. Okay, just to show you this is actually working, I'm gonna render another thing. A cow. What? That was fucking brutal. I swear to God, I didn't watch this before. What the fuck was that? Jesus, that was unexpected. I'll watch it again. Alright, we got copyrighted, and now we will get this live stream taken down, guys, because of this graphic footage. Jesus, what the fuck was that? Programmers, man. Why would you animate that? What the hell? Okay, Clippy too. Let's check Clippy. Lifetime is not needed. Let's get rid of that. Man, that cow animation was freaking disgusting and weird. Now Greenpeace is coming for us. Yes. What the hell was that? Oh. There are a lot of shit in here that I haven't checked. For example, frogs. Alright, this is fucked. Not even rendered correctly. Glass. Alright, just a glass. Somebody drinking from glass. It's not that bad. It was a pleasant experience. Oh wow. Alright, so today what we have done, not much. I'm just kidding. We just created this event handler thingy for this thing, for the animation. Created a separate widget for cleaner code, and then cleaned up some stuff in here as well. And yeah. But we still have this buff reader cursor vec U8, but it's not an option anymore, which is, I guess, fine. So yeah, I'm gonna add these things and commit my changes. Refactor, event, improve, event, okay, render animation without blocking events. Gonna type in my password. Cannot do it, I'm under so much stress. Alright, done. Maybe I should push this somewhere. Yeah, I'm gonna push it somewhere, but I'm not sure about the repo name actually. Let me look for something cooler. I remember in my first stream somebody suggested something and I kinda liked it. So I'm gonna check that stream. I cannot see the chat of that stream. Hold on, give me a second. How do I see the chat? Okay, live chat replay. Okay, somebody said TTY. So the question now is, do you guys like TTY heater or tier? Just gonna type it in, hold on. TTY heaters, easier to read and easier to say, but tier is like kind of better, I guess. Yeah, right. I'm just gonna, wow, I just got a very loud notification. Oh. Okay, so gonna rename this thing. It's tier. How do you actually pronounce this? Tier? T-tier? Yeah, anyways. Let's build this. and I'm gonna like teacher. Okay, I'm gonna move the tier 3, tier 3, tier 3. Oh my god, I'm getting. Okay, that should be good enough. Rename the repo. Sure. Project rename to tier. Okay, now are you ready for the trick of your life? This trick is, wait, what happened to my camera actually? Okay, it's good. But this trick is very cool. When you want to create a new repo on GitHub, you don't have to do this. You don't have to go to github.com. You don't have to go to create new. You don't have to click all of this shit. What you can do instead is go to repo.new, and that's it. Repo.new, guys. That's how you create a new repo. Hell yeah. Okay, creating a new repository now. We got it. Let's push this. Copy paste all the commands. And I actually want to mention something on the README. I'm building this on the stream, so please follow me. Should be enough. Docs README. Okay, actually. Tier. README MD, push this as well. Alright guys, here's the repo. If you want to check it out for yourself, if you want to... Oh wait, what is going on? Did I just break something? What the hell happened? Man, I was about to freaking finish this stream. And now are you telling me that this is broken? This can't be broken. This is probably because of my cache. This can't be. God damn it. Okay, okay, it's working. Just needed to enable this feature. Sure. Embed, enable debug, enable embedding files in debug mode. push this as well. I'm done, guys. This was such a stream today. Man, it's been what, 2 hours almost? Jesus, what did I do in this stream? I don't even remember at this point. But we are done. I'm gonna end the stream. I wish you guys a phenomenal night, day, or whatever time of your day. And I hope you stay awesome. Stay safe. Take it easy, guys. I really need to sleep now. I feel like I did a lot of things in the stream, but I actually didn't. Maybe I did. You tell me. But yeah. Catch up with you guys later. Have fun. I'm out.